The trackstand is a useful skill. It's about slowing down and being able to balance on the bike while not moving. It has applications while going uphill and downhill. What you want to do is you want to keep your brakes either engaged and let the bike move around underneath you. Trying to keep your arms straight and your center of mass above the bike. Keeping a little bit of pressure in your cranks. Again, letting the front wheel do these movements and just move around underneath you. And just getting used to using your arms to push the bike left and right to compensate. Keeping that pressure in your pedals and your brakes engaged. From there, it allows you to just slow down on the trail, regain your balance and get going as you need to. You get two different types of body positions. The first one is your seated position. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep your arms relatively straight with the bike moving around underneath you. You can have both brakes engaged, keeping a little bit of pressure on the cranks, and the bike is going to be floating a little bit from side to side. This one's quite nice to practice. You can also let off the front wheel and let the bike move a little bit and the back brake as well, just to let these small adjustments happen if the bike needs to move, and you can switch the wheel from side to side just to keep your balance. So the second type of track stand that you'll do is your standing track stand. Again, you're going to keep your back brake engaged and keep your weight above the center of the bike, allowing the bike to move around underneath you. You want to keep your arms relatively straight sometimes and good pressure in the cranks. This just keeps a little bit of tension, and like I said, the bike is going to move around underneath you, and you can do these small micro adjustments, turn your front wheel to adjust accordingly until you are comfortable doing so. It's great to practice on a nice patch of grass, somewhere that it's easy where you can fall over, and just like I say, making sure that your body is stable and the bike is doing the work underneath you.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, or it would mean a lot. Anyhow, jump on to the next video and let's see what else you can learn.